Compare lapidang pule ne pila pep school ka ITI Nongpo Riboy District ka IGKI ringkat ke stipend ban pentibit dilade ha ke kam plumber, welder, mason, dressmaking bat QA ban register pun hagine ki number kendai lai pralai not sau pra kendai san kendai lane pra iwe kendai pra sau kendai ar sau
शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
My mother is also here. We've come here to support what's happening in Delhi, and we're standing here in a peaceful gathering to give solidarity to the students, those who have also lost their lives because of the NEET leak papers, and those who have committed suicide. We are there. We've come here to support them and their families as well. And yeah, so basically, we just want to show that we will practice our rights and demand from the government what we deserve, especially for us, the youth, who make the whole part of this country, majority part of this country.
Do you condemn on that?
Government have been using force against the students who have been protesting. So we have seen that the government has...
That is not right, and that is, of course, on legal grounds. That is what is bad, and they are trying to put that on the students, which is wrong. They have come there. They were there just to do a peaceful protest and peaceful march, and the aggression that they have shown. Many students have gotten admitted in the hospital, have been injured. I know some personal friends who've been charged, and that is extremely wrong, and it should not be like that, of course. And I believe in the justice system, and I hope that we stand with the students and they do something about it. And that we are united as well, and we believe that we have the right for a better future.